2019 Ford F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, voice-activated navigation system, fog lights, electronic stability control, compass, rear window defroster, security system, bed liner, trip computer, power windows, panic alarm. Your new ride is just a phone call away.